Bafethu, yabona the most important thing for Orlando Pirates namhlanje is the 3 points, Bafethu. But in terms of the performance was bad, Bafethu. Orlando Pirates failed to control the tempo of the game. Bafethu, umuntu ongayibukelanga le game lo uzothi Orlando Pirates, they won the game 2-0, they were dominant, they were controlling the game. None of that, Bafethu. Orlando Pirates had to work hard for these 3 points. And Bafethu, Orlando Pirates inenkinga lapho ku-center back. Sibisi, suspect Bafethu. Dion Horta for me, suspect namhlanje, noKhehleni Makhawula. I-Richards Bay idlalile namhlanje Bafethu. I mean, if they had quality players in their squad and if they had players that can decide better, especially in the final third, I think I-Richards Bay could have gotten something out of this game. Orlando Pirates, they were playing at home. Esgodin Bafethu. Orlando Amstel Arena. But they were playing like they were away Bafethu. They failed to control the tempo of the game. I think into mela ibheke coach Abdeslam Wadu. Corner, I feel like they're panicking Bafethu, Orlando Pirates, especially in the second round of the season. I don't know, maybe it's the pressure that Mamelodi Sundowns ebafakela yona, but they are not convincing anymore Bafethu. Like I said, ureferee beyafana ukuthi azabasize kancane. That's not a penalty Bafethu. That's just my opinion, right? That is not a penalty, but I'm a little bit disappointed when it comes to the performance, man. I felt like they should have controlled this game, but they allowed Richards Bay to be all over them. Manje sekubuka ngathi Orlando Pirates is in a crisis because they failed to control the game. They deserve to win the game. I mean, in terms of quality of the two teams, Orlando Pirates deserve to win this game. But in terms of the performance, Bafethu, it says otherwise. They need to look into that, Bafethu, because that performance wasn't convincing Bafethu.
Alright, Orlando Pirates isivele yavulela induku lapha eSkodini to collect maximum points against Richards Bay. They had to. Bakichimisili Sundowns. Back to the top of the table with the 2-0 victory. Not the best of games, but they got the job done. That's the most important thing. I would rather much have a team play bad football but win the game than them to play good and lose the game. The Pirates got the job done. But it was not all bad by Pirates. They tried to apply themselves. I mean, I like what they were doing first half. They were playing with double 10. Mfukeng, Beno Tito, first half they were playing as a double 10. Mfukeng was supposed to be on the left, but we know he occasionally inverts inside. Same thing with Apollos, occasionally inverts inside. And when they invert inside, they leave out space for the likes of Sibelebele and Horta on the wings to bomb forward and provide Ilo team with the width. And we saw Sibelebele being very useful for you Orlando Pirates on the width on the right hand side. Apollos inverts in. Mfukeng invests to occupy the space in the middle and leaving Usbelebele with acres of space to run into. I like Usbelebele when he plays good right back because Upeti engine Usbelebele. He has this ability to run forward and add numbers in attack, but also Ushane engine was buya as a move. Orlando Pirates needs to improve defensively. Usbisi Beno Makhawula really almost cost the Pirates the game. There was a point where Pirates, before they got the penalty, before they got the penalty, Usbisi almost cost the game. If you see Emma, Bengeko, Bebazoba Great 3 points by Orlando Pirates. The title race continues. Whatever happens, the Papezulu.
I need an investigation. I need a pitch report. I need to understand something. How come whatever team goes and plays at the arena, they can score? No matter how many chances they get in front of goal, they start dazzling. Everybody misses a chance. When they see chain, everybody misses. I need to understand what is in that pitch, in that goal at the arena. Something is not adding up. Talk about a hard-fought win. Pirates fought hard today. Things were tough. I thought Richards Bay want to catch easy hands. No, Pirates fought today. They fought for that win. The first goal. Mufukeng, the ball that you played around the corner. Sibelebele catches up to it. Apollos just tap in. But we need to look at that ball Mufukeng played. Take this man to the World Cup. Hugo Bruce, put this man number 10. Mufukeng must play number 10 at the World Cup. I don't want stories. I don't want to fight. Even though F. Connie was, put him at number 10. We need those defense-splitting passes. Well-weighted pass in between the lines. Mufukeng, sis, how about a pass? Richards Bay twerked. Richards Bay had a chance to pull the game back and they twerked. Richards Bay, you let us all down. We were sitting here, ring, 90 minutes, and then you go twerk. Can someone check on Muremi? Someone check on Muremi. Pella Barnes just cut the ball. Yo. Muremi was sliding with his legs straight. I'm sure Muremi pulled a hamstring, guys. Just someone check on Muremi because, hey, what Barnes did to him, unethical. Barnes, you're going to hurt players. Barnes, you can't cut the ball like that. You're going to hurt people. But yeah, anyways, a good fought win by Orlando Pirates. Hard fought win by Orlando Pirates. And you see, respectfully, Mabakania, respectfully, why I say give Sundowns the league. Yes, you guys won the same scoreline. That I won't deny. But you see how hard fought win it is for Orlando Pirates. Pirates, yes, they collected 3 points. Well done. When it's a win, 3 points is 3 points. But it's a hard fought win. Because in that game, Richards Bay could have come back. How many chances did they get? Even guys at 1-on-1 facing Chain. But then he started tatazeling and he wants to pass the ball to another player who he could have taken it himself. Richards Bay had clear-cut chances to score from and they messed them up. Because if they take 1 or 2, they were speaking a different story, different outcome of the game. Pirates go 2-0 up with the late penalty. See, they had to fight the whole game. And this fight, I don't think they'll have it. Somewhere along the line, they're going to meet a team which is going to equalize. And then we'll see the real Orlando Pirates. See if they're capable of coming back. And I'm not talking about the Polokwane game, because Polokwane was sitting back waiting for Pirates for 90 minutes. Practice game for Pirates. A team that's going to take it to Orlando Pirates. I want to see them. Then I can say give Pirates the league. But at the moment, give Sundowns the league. Sundowns have that mentality. You can see when they play, it's comfortable. Practice game. Orlando Pirates are at the crafting, working hard, great determination, 3 points. Guys, I saw Hoto play number 9. Mbutuma missed so many chances. Hoto's let me take this upon myself. Hoto does everything in this team. It's too much.
Hi, you Pirates. Ngeke isabuyela ku number 1. Hi, iSundowns ngoku ibuyile endaweni yayo. Ngeke niphinde nimveni no number 1. Yo! Ngoba abantu bayathetha ngedatha yabo. And ngeke ukwazi ukucontrola ke abantu bathetha le nto bafuna uyithi. We are very excitement. Sibangathi sithi ufuna uthetha lesi ngamabhakaniya kuthi hi we will screenshot this. Sizabuya nayo malanga emva kwe game. So ziphi screenshot? Masibuye screenshot. Anazi no manifonela iChiefs okanye nifonela iSundowns bebethetha bonke. Manifonela number 2 wami obekekileyo. Yathi disciplinary committee amabhakaniya. Oh, nina you speak big on social media. Nithetha kakhulu. Tina will speak big on the field. Angandiva. Hello sisi. Ngicela ukubuza zi-offices ka number 2 ezo. Oh, sorry. Beningafuna ukuthi ezika number 2. Ayikho right la nto ubizana nge-numbers. Ngicela ukubuza zi-offices ze-Sundowns ezo. We are very excitement. Your view once FC. Benihleli nje hours ezimbalwa kwesitulo sethu. Sorry? No, sisandihleki sisakhonto ndihlekayo. Enye into ke besingadlali nani, besidlala neRichards Bay. Yes, I understand lo part. Cha ndithunywe ngamabhakaniya sizobulela nje uba as hours benihleli ku position 1 noko sifike kungekho mdaka niyacaca uba aningomaxele kwindawo yomuntu niyiphatha kahle nina. Your view once FC usekhona utropile. We are very excited. Ingxaki abanthathi serious izinto ezithethayo. In fact leyo nthatha serious yokugqibela abanthathi nonthatha. Yo.
Papa ngeke asibene honest. Uba umela aqale lapha ku number 9 isiphi strike emele siqale. Ngeke bafethu ngeke. Uma basa kanti babemlonelani bafethu. Hayibo. Yazi uphumela izolo uthe eMzansi asinazi i-strike. Sinabadlali abadlala phambili. Kahle ubeqonda ukuthi iPirates ayinazi i-strike. Inabadlali abadlala phambili. Mahopa was defending at some point. Assista egudla ngolayini eyiwinga. Hayi mina bafethu angisazi ke mina manje. Asikwazi ukuqhubeka kanjena bafethu. Sidinga isniper la. Ukuthi i-management bonke o-chairman bayayibuka nje Orlando Pirates babuka ukuthi i-right ayisting strike. Shuthi kusakude phambili. Makhawula namhlanje angimazi ukuthi ubengenwe yini, undlovu yangena nje mfethu. Amapass akhe kusiyami. Kodwa ngoba siwina ngisho kukubi. Shuthi nginethemba. Hayi. Ibhola likho right for anxiety yami. Sikwazi ukuqhubeka kanje. Emuva kangazi ke. Lapha emuva sine problem, serious problem. Sidinga ithimba yodwa ezosihlambalaza isivezele ukuthi anama defender nihlalele. Ngoba ngeke ke. Bafethu.
Yaze yancika iRichards Bay i-draw Richards Bay i-draw usenhlulwa nje ukudrawa no-Orlando Pirates kodwa mandlana naliphenduka iBarcelona i-draw le i-draw yazi nideserve ukuyodlala nina u-NFT ngoba nje umsebenzi wenu awukho ukuzodestroy Kaizer Chiefs ubethwe Premiership. Silani neSundowns sesinika 3 points no 4 goals.
Yadle mnyama. Hey bafana. Full time score. Orlando Pirates 2. Hey, Richards Bay 0. Bafethu. Yabona bafethu yabona le game lemele ngianalyze kahle lalela. First half, as much as the Pirates be all over Richards Bay, kodwa Richards Bay was also organized. They were so organized, they came prepared. Bebesazi ukuthi sabazonzana. Unfortunately, second half police wayiqeda yonke le nto le ngeassist kaSibelebele. And what a performance kaSibelebele namhlanje. He played very well. Mengithi bazomkhipha bethola ikhathi first half. Hayi cha, ubekhona. Bephila uSibelebele, yes, bephila uSibelebele and amazing performance again. Bena ama flop lawo nalawo wenza ama foul unnecessary kodwa he had a good game uSibelebele. Umbuthuma mfethu, come on Buthuma, kwenzakalani mfana wakho, kushubile mfethu, kushubile. And yabona ama chances yawathola, hayi ukuthi awuwatholi but you are not clinical and uyiposition kwakho mina ku questionable dog because angazi kwenzakalani because yabona nje lo mjisi engimbukayo ayiyena mjisi ade ngimbuka la season, akuyena Mbuthuma dog. Pick up siyadinga yabona settle race imnandi ngobani niwine ngo-2-0 bawine ngo-2-0 nihupana kamnandi. Ayikuthi wonke umuntu happy ngale penalty, ayikuthi wonke umuntu happy ngale penalty, khona abacomplaina ngale penalty, khona abakhala ngale kaMbuthuma nakhona bekuthiwa bekuyipenalty. Lento engishoyo, we need i-VAR le South Africa, bheke nje la ubuka iPirates i-dominant kanjani, unbheke nje iPirates i-dominant kanjani. 18 shots, 6 on target. Mbuthuma isoma ufuke ngishaya ipali. Ifethe abona nje ithathe race imnandi manje because iPirates yabothe ifaka effort. Yona mayibuka egamini iyantenga lapho nalapho because liya drive liyana. Yabona nje mina was expecting ukuthi iPirates ibe full on kodwa ke it's understandable because iBaby dlala i-low block, it's understandable. Kodwa nje mfethu Pirates izomelithi iqaqeka bafethu, melithi iqaqeke iPirates. Ngiyayidinga iqaqeke iPirates.
Okay, but first that's it for the video namhlanje ne. I don't really have much to say about the game namhlanje. I didn't really like it, but in thing ngayisho ukuthi against Richards Bay, I will take these 2 points happily. So I will take the 2 points because playing against Richards Bay bafethu akukho lula. I think like we all know right now, playing against Richards Bay is not easy. For either team, for either Chiefs, Sundowns or Pirates, it's not easy playing against Richards Bay. It's they by team enzima ukushayeka, but they are hard to beat. And I hate playing against him. Out of all the teams from KZN, I would rather play Yaros or Amazulu. Even at the time when they had the Royal AM, I would rather play Royal AM than Richards Bay, because the teams look frustrated, bruh. Like, this team will frustrate you. Like, and the Bazok attack at the same time. Abo Bands, bruh. Like, cause they're just a hard team to play against, bruh. That's all I can say. And I'm for face, because this is like the video is starting against Zayo. I look at the Instagram video, I don't know what's happening, my friend. So I don't really have much to say. So please subscribe, comment, and yeah, and good lazy mind. I have to upload this video, and I'm sorry because I know most of you guys are gonna be asleep by now, but I have to upload. So see you on Saturday against Swelele in the Pirates. Ngiyabonga for watching.